Now, still on sugar, 4 sugar factories are under construction in measures aimed at boosting production of the sweetener. National Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi says increasing the number of sugar millers will enhance competitiveness and boost farmers' income. Kenya's domestic sugar production currently stands at 84,000 metric tons after restructuring and restoring operations at the existing 17 sugar factories. The increased production is attributed to extension of the subsidized fertilizer program to sugarcane farmers, as well as revival of some sugar factories that has seen an additional 500,000 acres put under sugarcane production, pushing the total land under cane to 710,000 acres. In the proposed 2025 budget policy statement, National Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi says the government has implemented targeted measures over the last 2 years aimed at restructuring and restoring operations at public sugar mills to boost competitiveness of the sugar subsector, raise farmer incomes, and enhance their productivity. In addition, he says the newly established Kenya Sugar Research and Training Institute will focus on research, enhancing pest control, as well as training farmers and millers to improve sugarcane yields. The proposed 2025 budget policy statement recognizes the sugar industry as a strategic subsector as it supports the economies of sugar belt regions and is a key job creator and income earner.